the cows. Little early morning grazing here. They get excited. They're always a little more animated in the morning. There you can see what is a bigger calf going after its mom, but I don't know how much milk there is. Every so often we get to leave the farm and we get to actually put on, you know, some nice clothes, you know, but we always have our t-shirts underneath. If you listen here, you can hear the ripping of the grass. That's what's cool about the cows. They literally just rip the grass and they eat and they eat and they eat and they eat. Come on, this is a video.
Well,
where are we right now?
So we're in the town of Greene.
And what's that behind you?
With my great friend Deanna. She came to visit us from Connecticut. Freedom Farm.
I love it. I love it.
What's today?
And Black Angus matters.
we're today's garage sale day.
Yes, yeah, so in the town of Greene, all the local homes, houses, they're hosting garage sales.
So we're gonna go check out some garage sales.
Yes.
Okay.
That's right. A little morning snack. Just a little something. And some flies.
Can I eat this stuff too? Is it all the same?
You probably could. Oh, you mean the pigs? Yeah, they can eat that. They'll eat anything.
Some days I like to just come out on the tractor, go for a little ride on a nice day, nice afternoon, get out and you know, just enjoy being out on the field and being out on the farm and getting out in nature, right? That's what it's all about. And some piglets trying to mess with the cows. I don't know if this is gonna go well. And some piglets messing with me. So, funny story, you know, when I first went to check out this tractor that I have here, this Model H, right? I had no idea how to start it. I had no idea how to drive it, nothing. And before this, we got a John Deere 1949B tractor. And I show up at this guy's house about 2 hours away. He's about 80 years old, and I have no idea how to drive these tractors. I don't even know how to start them. There's Lauren giving farm tours. It's amazing, you know, when you come very open-minded to different experiences like that, it's amazing how people want to jump in and help you. It's amazing how they want to jump in and they want to teach you. And it's super cool because, you know, you get to a certain point in your life and you stop learning, you stop being taught, and you stop really immersing yourself in very, very new experiences. Now, when I say stop, some people stop totally, but other people, they just stop relative to what their immersion of learning was, say maybe 20 years ago, 30 years ago, or when they were in school and learning. But it's important as we get older that we continue to get out there and we continue to learn and we continue to acquire new skills. And that process for me has always started with being open and telling people, hey, I don't know this. I don't know, I've never done it before, but can you teach me? Now, flip that switch up and then push that down. And you'll be amazed at how many people are really open to teaching you skills and teaching you just really unique traits and unique things, and really teaching you things that they're passionate about. So for this tractor here, what's so cool is the gentleman, Charlie, that fixes them and restores them says to me, You know, I really appreciate your passion and your desire to understand this tractor more. I appreciate that you want to build a collection. I appreciate that. And therefore, here's what I want to do for you. And that's super cool. So I'm grateful for that. And today I'm going to show you how to start this tractor.
How did it feel driving that?
Amazing. My first tractor ride.
What did it feel like? You're more brave than me, Deanna.
At first I thought I was gonna go not in the right way. But it's a pretty powerful
You're a
machine,
natural.
actually.
You're a natural.
I just get such an adrenaline rush. It's
Awesome.
This is awesome.
Deanna.
Awesome. God bless Freedom Farms.
Don't mess with Rocco's bone.
Go in the house?
Switch up. And then you're going to push that down to start it. This is what happens when you're trying to get the bone out of Rocco's
Dogs are exhausting.
mouth.
Fucking dogs are dogs.
Here's an almond butter
Oh, don't put this on.
cookie sandwich
Come on.
to try to get this bone out of Rocco's mouth. We're gonna start with a little sniff technique here where he starts to smell it. And that worked very quickly. And now we give him the reward. Rocco, we give him the reward.
So funny.
Rocco, you want your treat?
With the nose.
Hey Rocco, here. And he's got a little almond butter on the lips. And victory. Let's see. And that's all it takes here to win the heart of Rocco. Now he's ready.